Hey everyone, this is Mr. Quinones doing a short tutorial on the homework from chapter 5. Real quick, so let's take a few minutes. If you look at a number, let's say 30, okay, give or take, it says find the values, find the sig trig values. Okay, so the idea here is that you want to find the sig ratio. So there's sine is opposite over hypotenuse, then cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. It's the ratio, right? Gives you a percentage. And then tangent is the ratio of the opposite over the adjacent. And then those are the three that you know. And then as you start going backwards, and then the other ones, the cotangent, is then these guys are swapped. So that's A over O, the percentage of the adjacent over hypotenuse. And then the cosecant would seem like it goes here, but actually goes here. Cosecant is the ratio of the hypotenuse over the opposite. And then the secant is the ratio of the hypotenuse. How big is the hypotenuse compared to the adjacent? Alright, so for 30, they have -4, that's the x value, and then the y value is -3. This is number 30. Okay, you don't have to do 30, but this is the idea. Okay, so if you have your grid, you have your y and your x. So this point right here is -4, and then down 3. Just say it right here. Okay, so we're going change colors. Okay, we're going down this way, -4, and then down -3. Okay, so as you can see, this makes a triangle right there, and then we have some angle theta. So next you want to identify from this angle, well, this one is the opposite. We'll put O, we'll put OP, opposite, and then this one would be the adjacent leg, and this of course is your hypotenuse. So we need all three symbols here. We got the A, the O, so if we got all these, we need the H. So in order to do H, well, we need to do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. This is a 90 degree. So A squared, okay, A squared, or leg squared, -4 squared is 16, and then -3 squared is 9, and then that will give us H squared. So this becomes 25. This is H squared. So the square root of 5. So H must be 5. So now you can just plug in these values to all of these and do those. So for example, I'll just do 1. So the sine of theta, which I should have put sine of theta, okay, is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so opposite would be -3, and opposite over hypotenuse, and then that would be 5. So that this is one of your 6 trig ratios right there. And you just do the rest of them that way. Okay, so go ahead and do those that way. Okay,